Top 3 Solar Portable Electricity Generators. One portable solar electricity generator we looked at comes in 3 different models. The first version is 12 amp AC with an inverter of 150 watts. The other 2 versions, both DC, are either 12 or 30 amps. All these portable solar electricity power generators come with 20-foot long 12 halves cable and DC plugs for input. What are not included are batteries or modules. These portable solar generators come factory tested and fully assembled. They are easy to use plug-and-go systems. The AC model has an inverter switch on the outside. They all come with PV module type accessories for mounting. Other features of these solar generators are 120 VAC sockets equipped with outdoor covers for the AC models. These same models also have 150 watt internal inverters. You'll always know the condition of your charge with these portable solar generators, thanks to their battery meters. Protective safety and durability features include separate fusion of all sockets, enclosures that are non-breakable, rugged and resistant to weather and corrosion. The solar panels of these portable generators make them DC chargeable, as well as friendly to the environment. Each of these made-for-your-home power generators come with 2 DC sockets that can accommodate loads as high as 90 watts each. This made-for-home portable power generator can be recharged from a solar module or an AC battery charger, an optional accessory. The unit is fully integrated and generates AC or DC electricity quietly. It is ideal for running lights, fans, laptops, and small televisions or power tools.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.